Hi, this is Brad with Thorogood. Today we're talking about what to do when your boots are old and tired, maybe you don't have any tread left. Thankfully, through a program through NuSHOE, we're able to restore your old boots and make them new again and get a few extra miles out of them. Our first service is our classic service where they'll replace the laces, clean and recondition the upper, remove the old outsole, and put on a new outsole so you got plenty of tread for the days to come. The next type of restoration through NuSHOE is the complete restoration, where they'll replace the outsole, replace the midsole, replace footbed padding, any stitching as needed, put in new insoles, place the laces, and clean and recondition your boot. For information on both of these services, or to get your postage paid bag sent to you so you can get your boots restored, visit thorougoodusa.com/restoration.